I'd like to make a short video for Arch Linux about cow space. Let's do 2 boot ups and show you what I mean with, or what the result is of cow space. So this is an Arch Linux ISO, the one from June, from archlinux.org. And we're booting up in a virtual machine, which gives us this prompt. First, I make sure that I can type. For me, that is Azerty Belgium. So you don't need to do that, maybe. Second thing is, what if there is something that's present in the current updates, but not on the ISO, because an ISO is built at a certain point in time. And then, you know, for instance, I've made videos already, edu 4.9 and edu 50 about Arch install. If we update packages, then there is an extra Arch install, but not only Arch install, so much more, right? So there's a frozen ISO, and if you want to update, then you need space, cow space. Now, normally I would never do this, right? I won't, this is something I don't do, but the knowledge of it is interesting, because maybe this Broadcom WL is gonna fix your wireless. And maybe the Linux kernel, etc., etc. Many of these packages get an update. Question is, will it improve things? I don't know, right? But this won't work on a default Arch, and I'll show you. We say yes, go install on the live environment, not on real metal, and then it says error, could not extract. And why is that? df, remember that one, df, and look for the line cow space. Let us count from file system def run av4fs def sr0 cow space. You see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line cow space. And the column that says available says 0. That's the problem. What's the solution? Knowledge. Control R, rebooting. VirtualBox, right Control R, resets everything. And if you reboot, again, reboot, because we need to do something in here. We have to type E and then the end key on your keyboard. We're at the end and we can type things here, right? Backspace. What should we type? Cow. And I'm in QWERTY now, so I have to be careful. That's the underscore. That's space size. The Z is here. So cow space size. In short, cow space, that's what I call it. But this is the exact command. This is exactly how you should type it. Cow underscore space size equals is going to be here. Yep. And then 4 GB, 10 GB. Let's take 10 gig. G, not a B, 10 GB. So basically I'm telling the system, to Arch, hey, there's more hard disk space. There's more space for you to install an update, for example. So 10G extra, cow underscore space size equals 10G, 2G, 4G, whatever you need. And that is knowledge that came from building ISOs, right? Let's have a look at Brave. Voila. If you look for Arch Wiki Arch ISO, you'll probably find information about cow. To adjust the size at the bootloader stage by pressing E or tab, use the boot option cow space equals size. Then that should say, right, G is gigabyte, 4 GB. We can take a look with this here, and let's have a look. What did I do? Do I have that particular 10 GB? Line 6 still more or less, I think, right? Then you see 10485760, 1% used, run arch ISO cow space, which means I can update, right? I can type pacman load keys be Latin 1, thank you, pacman -syyu. New databases come in and everything can be installed because now there's place enough. Again, not something I normally do. It's knowledge. It's interesting for the ISO builders. For instance, you are going to use Calamares as an installer. Well, from time to time you need to rebuild it or something in the live environment. Then you need some space. Archlink does not provide that space, the amount of space to install a kernel, for example. There is a kernel coming in. Let's wait till it really finishes. So check out messages. If there are any error messages, maybe you need some more gigabyte. There's no space left or something. And this is not real metal machine, right? This is a live environment, so it might behave differently. At this point in time, everything works fine. There is no error. As you see, it ends nicely, but it might, right? It's still you that needs to evaluate if that's the thing you want to have. So cow space, that's something you could add if there is a need for updating inside a live environment. All right, cheers.